Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is day 2 and the law for manifestation is giving and receiving. What you give out, you get back. What you give, you get. The word currency is from the word current, and current means flow. So if you stop the energies from flowing, everything becomes stagnant. It's like you hold on to money. You have heap of money, maybe in lakhs and crores, but you take a bag or a box and you just fill it up and hug it. Hold on to that money and don't use it, don't do anything with it. What will happen? Over a period of time, your money, this flow of money will get stagnant, and whatever is there in that box will slowly start depleting. So in order to receive, you need to learn to give. Give it wholeheartedly. You want to receive abundance in your life. You want to receive love in your life, money in life, happiness in life, all positive energies in life. Then you need to start giving these energies out. Start giving whatever you want to get in life. But remember, it needs to be wholeheartedly. So in order to activate this particular law, you need to do two things. Practice this. Whenever you meet somebody, gift them something. It could be a smile, a positive quote, a prayer, a small little gift. Give them something and give it with your open heart and mind. Give a positive note, a happiness, a token of love, something which will really make day of that person, will make that person happy. Be it from wherever he or she is coming from and meeting you, you try to give a positive thing. I would always advise or recommend, please do not give money. Do not give this physical. Do not do the exchange of physical stuff. So do not give money. In this, I mean to only say you can give a smile on that person's face. Make that person's day. Make him or her happy. Second, receive wholeheartedly. This means when sun shines or when sun rises, we receive the sunshine wholeheartedly. When we go to a park or a garden, we receive that nature, that beauty wholeheartedly. Whatever we are doing in our life, accept it and receive it wholeheartedly. Whether it is big or small, learn to accept it and receive it wholeheartedly. So in order to activate this law in your life, the simple funda is you need to give anything and everything wholeheartedly. If you start practicing this law, but be careful. When you're giving something, do not think what you will receive in return, or it's waste, it's a loss to you. Do not think likewise. Whenever you are giving, give it with an open heart, open mind. And whenever you receive something, do the same thing. Be it small or big, a gesture is small or big, whatever you have received, materialistic stuff or anything, be it small or big, but with an open heart and mind, receive it. This will activate this particular law in your life and you will see the difference. Good luck and all the best for practicing this law in your life henceforth. Stay tuned to my channel. Tomorrow I'll come up with the next law. Till then, have a beautiful day ahead. Bye-bye. Take care.